Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make pan-seared salmon with creamy sauce. It's so delicious and so easy. Let's start with preparing salmon. I'm going to use 4 to 5 salmon fillet. That's about 2 to 2.5 pounds. Season salmon with kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Make sure you season every part of your salmon. Then leave your salmon at room temperature for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our basil. We need about a cup of basil, which is about 2 ounces. Roll the basil and slice them up like this. Okay, basil is done. Now let's move on to our onion. I'm going to use half of one large onion. Slice it, then finely chop the onion. Onion is ready. Let's cook the salmon now. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil at high heat. Wait until your pan is almost smoking. Pan should be very hot. Then place your salmon fillet skin side down. Once you place your salmon down, do not move your fish. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the fish. After turning over fillet and then put it in a good spot, do not move your fish. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then take them out, set aside. Cook the rest of the salmon fillet. Same thing, skin side down. Do not move. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the fish. Once you turn over the fillet and settle in the good spot, do not move your fish and cook for another 2 minutes. Then take them out, set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan, then scrape the brown bit. If you have white wine, you can pour a 1/4 cup to deglaze the pan, then add butter. Add chopped onion, saute for 5 to 7 minutes, scraping the brown bits. While the onion is getting sauteed, let's prepare our cheese. We need a 1/4 cup of grated parmigiano reggiano. Okay, our onion is ready. Let's add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. If you don't have a pre-minced garlic, mince 3 cloves of garlic and use those. Saute onion and garlic for about a minute. Then lower your heat to low-high and add 1.5 cup of heavy cream. Oh, smells so good. Now let's add our basil. Stir the basil with the sauce and add 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomato with oil. Stir them around and add 1/4 cup of grated parmigiano reggiano. Now the sauce is going to be a little gooey. That's what we want. And season it with black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Salt is optional. Return the fish to the pan. Place the thickest fillet in the middle. Cook time will be vary depending on thickness of each fillet. 1 inch thick, about a minute. About 1.5 inch thick, 2 minutes. Anything thicker than 1.5 inch, longer than 2 minutes. Less than an inch thick, you might do not want to put back into the pan just to pour the sauce on top. While the fillets are in the pan for a minute or two, pour a good amount of sauce on top of each fillet. If some of the fillet is thicker and need longer time to cook, take thinner ones out and set aside so you don't overcook your fish. You can see I took my 2 of thinner pieces out before these 3 thick ones. Once your fillet is perfectly cooked, don't forget to turn the stove off and place your fish on a plate and pour some sauce on top. Looks so good. You can cook this absolutely delicious meal under 30 minutes at your kitchen. Bring it on your dinner table. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.